Hi humans, and happy holidays! Welcome to Alex Inform. Today I am creating a small, unique holiday project completely from scratch. I've got an idea to build a Christmas tree using LEDs. I came across a set of WS2812B LED rings and I wanted to stack them somehow in tires to make a tree shape, and I will teach my Christmas tree to rotate. To make the spinning part, I picked up a slip ring contact base. That will let me pass power and data into the rotating part. I am adding a USB-C jack to power everything. As usually, the brain of my build is an Arduino Nano, and for movement I'm using a small motor. Next, I went hunting in my drawers for a base to mount all electronics, and I found the perfect fit, a clear acrylic box. So I started drilling holes. First, a hole at the back for the USB-C power input. Then holes in the center for the main part, the slip ring base. In another drawer I found two plastic gears to transfer motion from the motor to the tree. I took all the parts from an old CD player. Once the movement plan becomes clear, I drilled mounting holes for the motor. I made them slightly oversized since everything is made by hand and will need small adjustments. To make further adjustments easier, I also drilled a hole in the gear so I can reach the motor screws just by rotating gear. At this point, I decided to add a LED strip inside for the backlight. So I am adding WS2812B LED Strip. With this approach, only one additional requirement for electronics. Everything should be arranged nicely. Next step, installing the slip ring and gluing the main gear on top. After that, I added a round plastic plate as the mounting base for the whole tree structure. To build tree tires from the LED rings, I decided to use a solid copper wire. Luckily, the rings already have holes, so it works perfectly for me. My plan is to prepare 2 struts per each level, 9 total for the whole tree. Once all the struts were ready, I glued each tire from the back. Nowadays, it's amazing how many things could be built with hot glue and zip ties. Add insulation tape and you could build a rocket. Okay, then came the soldering time. The slip ring gives me 6 wires, so I'm using 5 of them, red and yellow for positive, black, brown, green for negative power to reduce voltage drop, and 1 orange for data. Additionally, I will prepare signal wires which will go from each output of LED ring to the digital input of next LED ring. Also, using tiny wires, I will loop all power. And again, using hot glue and zip ties, I secure everything. The tree will be controlled from D2 and the backlight will be controlled from D6 from Arduino. At some point I understood that I need to review my initial plan about positive and negative wire connections. I could solder everything, but it would look bulky, which goes against my requirement for nice looking electronic components inside transparent base. So I came up with a new idea to put positive and negative bus bars, which will look way better. Luckily, it doesn't require any changes in soldering part. And now is the trickiest part, the motor. When I powered it up, it spun the tree way too fast. So I decided to lower voltage using two silicon diodes. I have a separate video of testing diodes to reduce voltage. And the last thing, I decided to decorate my tree, and I bought some decorations. Finally, programming and adjusting everything. It took a bit of time, but now it all runs as I planned. Links for where I bought some components, as well as link for my sketch, are in the description. In the end, I added a switch to turn off the motor so I can enjoy Christmas tree without motion. By the way, I personally like stationary tree more, but anyway, it's nice to have different options. Finally, check it out. Thank you for watching this fun build. Subscribe for more ideas and DIY projects. And if you like this project, don't forget to hit like button, as it costs nothing for you but means a lot for me. See you next year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! And now let's take some time to enjoy this fun build and enjoy this lightning show.